Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this Barbie inspired makeup. So if you want to know how I got this look, please keep on watching. Obviously, I have already done my foundation and my eyebrows. For concealer, I'm going to be using Rimmel Lasting Radiance Full Coverage Concealer in the shade 050 Nude. And I'm gonna be using that to conceal and brighten the face, so really lift everything. Then I'm gonna be using the Boutique Contour Stick and then applying it directly into the skin. I'm gonna kind of use it almost pre-blend because that way I start blending them in with the Real Techniques Sponge Beauty Blender. Then I'm going to set everything with L'Oréal Paris Infallible Translucent Setting Powder. For the eye makeup, I'm going to use the Maybelline New York Lemonade Craze palette. And I'm gonna be mainly focusing in one shade. So starting off with the pink color, I'm gonna be putting it on the crease and blending it out. And I'm gonna add a shimmer on the inner half of my eyes. It is a light pink color. Then I'm gonna be using black liquid eyeliner and I'm gonna creating a very thin wing and winging it all the way out. For the lower lash line, I'm using the pink shade again. I'm gonna putting it over the lash line. And on top of that, I'm applying black eyeliner pencil. For mascara, I'm gonna be using the brand new number 7 Lash Impact Ultra Matte Mascara. For blush, I'm using the Urban Decay Cherry Highlight and Blush. For the lips, I'm using L'Oréal Paris Infallible 24-Hour Lipstick in the shade 213 Teaberry. Then I'm going to contour my nose with one of my favorite Rimmel Natural Bronzer in the shade Sun Bronze. For highlighter, I'm gonna be using one of my favorite number 7 Instant Radiance Highlighter and putting that on the high point of the face, chin, and of course the nose. And that is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this Barbie inspired makeup. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you again very soon. Bye!